Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Because we enjoy snorkeling so much, we're going to do our own little snorkeling tour. The beach is just like 5 minutes from our Airbnb here. So we're just going to walk over here. We're going to snorkel for like 30, maybe 45 minutes or so. And then we're going to head back to the condo, get ready for the train tour, and have lunch at Gaylord's.
Yeah.
But hey, good morning. Aloha. Oh, it's lovely. Like the weather, it's warm, but the water was great yesterday. All right, we're gonna get ready, put our fins on, and then we're heading in. Ready to go for the snorkeling solo trip?
Yeah. Duo trip.
Oh, duo.
Yeah.
Always swim with the partner. Never swim or snorkel by yourself. Okay. Can be dangerous.
Good morning again. And we went snorkeling, and the case that holds the gimbal failed,
And a case filled with water.
and the gimbal exploded.
Yeah, just a small fire.
Just a small fire. It ruined one of our Turkish cotton towels.
So we may go get a couple more Turkish towels.
Because that's an excuse to buy a new towel. And also, we're gonna see what we can do about having a gimbal delivered, because
I'm shooting on my phone now.
now we're shooting on a cell phone,
So
which
nothing's steady.
but it's like ye olden days of vlogging.
Yeah, that's
It's like Paris all over again.
Yeah.
So whatever, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
The reason it's so shaky is because I'm holding it and Yeti's driving. So we are headed to Gaylord's for lunch.
Yes.
It is like modern Hawaiian cuisine. I'm really looking forward to it. And then for this Yahoo and another Yahoo that we're joining, because remember, we're with our friends, we are going to go on a little train tour, and then really we're going to see where the rest of the day takes us.
That's right.
It's the best kind of adventure.
So I had to calm myself down. I was very upset with myself that, and I don't know if it was my fault, but I was very upset with myself that the gimbal just completely fried.
But
we're on vacation.
We're going to be grateful and thankful that we're on vacation. We're not going to let this ruin our day or our vacation. Things like this happen. Things like this happen to us all the time. So, we have to go with the flow. So we're going to go with the flow. All right, we need the phone so that we can direct ourselves to Gaylord's.
I kind of got it, but yes, we're going to need the phone.
My hair tastes like salt.
All right, we'll see you guys at Gaylord's for some lunch, and then train ride after that. See you in a bit.
Bye.
We're here at Gaylord. Yeah. All right, we're gonna have some lunch, and then I think we're gonna take the train and do the tour. here we are. This place is lovely. Alright, we see our friends up ahead. Alright, we are done with lunch. We're gonna check out some of the shops here. And the Plantation House. Lunch was very, very good. I got a teriyaki bison burger, and everyone else got like fish.
A spring salad with portobello and a ahi poke stack.
Yeah. Sorry I didn't video it. It came out and that was pretty much breakfast for us, so just tore it up. Alright, we're gonna roll around the shop here. Our train tour is in like an hour, so we'll see you guys in a little bit.
I think we need this for our bathroom.
Okay.
Obviously.
And, I mean, look at that. That's an amazing painting.
It is so, so good.
I think my wife's gonna see how much it is. Hope you guys like my glasses. I got these just for Hawaii. Anyway, we are heading over to where the train is. It's gonna depart in about 30 more minutes. Our train ride is from 2 p.m. to 2:40 p.m. So it's a 40-minute ride. But this place is so cool. It's very interesting, just the architecture and everything else about it. And it's a little bit sunny. It's a little bit warm. Well, it's very warm, but I'm enjoying it. Stay with me. Pretty good so far. Goes lovely wife over there. Hey, hon.
Did you tell them that there was no Maryland print?
Oh no. So the print shop where they had all the art there was no Maryland print.
There's no chicken Maryland. I was gonna buy her for our bathroom.
It was a newer print, and they didn't have it, unfortunately. That's okay.
It was truly a piece of fine art, and I am just sad that I can't take it home with me.
Hello, I have nothing for you.
Oh my goodness.
Hi.
Hello. I know we're good now. Wow. You just hang out with the pigs all day?
Hi.
Hello. Oh, look at you. Yeah, you're a happy boy, huh?
Big party.
It's the best kind of party.
Got enough
So
stuff?
funny. I want a pig.
Guys want pee?
Look, they just keep coming out of the...
Yeah. You're like, it's feeding time. This is the 2 o'clock train.
Yeah.
30 of them.
Wow.
They said? That's what I heard.
I think so, yeah.
You're right. Look at the thing and you just like.
Just trying to see if you're better at catching than Penny. No. Why would you catch it? It's just gonna fall, huh?
I'm not gonna
They're
drop my
beautiful
phone.
eyeballs. Yeah.
Alright, hun. How you enjoying it?
I really want a pig.
She's feeding the pigs more than she's feeding like the horse or the donkey. Alright. Take 2. There we go. Thank you.
Everything you see around here in the sounds very fine.
Girls are just like
Got to eat
even
some
closer
apples?
to her head right now than they
How's it?
were a little
Sugar.
throwy before. Now they're just like super
Oh, I know. So
yeah.
close. So close.
Oh, hi.
I don't have the gimbal, so I don't. I can't tell. Yeah.
It's like Mally asking you to read something.
Alright. We got the 2 animals. I didn't even know that was part of it.
Oh, that was fun, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely fun.
I like that. I like
All right, so that was the 5th
Time to go.
final tortilla feed of the day.
Alright everyone, that's it for the train tour. We are done. That was a nice little relaxing ride with plenty of information about the plantation here. They are attempting to be completely self-sustainable, which is nice to hear. And any food that they don't use in our restaurants or luau's, they actually give to the animals here to consume. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna head in the gift shop here and take a look around. All right, we are here at Uncle's Shave Ice. We're gonna try this. This is our first shave ice here
In Hawaii.
in Hawaii ever. So we're gonna check out the menu and we're gonna get some shave ice.
I want whatever this is.
Hun, what do you think you're gonna get?
I want whatever, you can't really see, but I want whatever this is with like fruit on top. That looks amazing.
Okay, something with fruit. They have a snow shave ice in there. Can't really see the menu, but I think that's what I'm gonna get. Okay, we'll get back to you after we get it. It's hot out here, jeez, whew. Someone has already started eating her shave ice. What did you get?
Strawberries and cream.
Strawberries and cream.
Mm-hmm.
Can we see?
Mm-hmm. I already started. It's strawberry syrup. There's supposed to be real strawberries in there, and then probably condensed milk. I'm allergic to pineapple, so Hawaii is a particularly interesting choice for me, but I can't have anything that has pineapple in it or I will die.
And I got birthday cake. That's there in the middle. I think
Vanilla.
vanilla
And
and strawberry. Yes. So we're gonna sit here for a couple minutes. I'm gonna dig into this a little bit, and then we're gonna head back to our condo, our Airbnb.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll see you then. Look, I'm real kinds of sweaty. We're just hot. We are going over to the resort over at Grand Hyatt. We're gonna swim
with our friends.
Yeah, swim over there and just enjoy the pools over there and cool off. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Hello.
I'm so shiny.
We are back at the Grand Hyatt. Again, we went swimming earlier. This is cool. That's good. Okay.
Good? There we are.
There we are. Hi.
We came back. We got little turdies.
Some turtles.
Went for a swim.
I have been told that I need to get a turtle for myself.
Third turtle.
So we're gonna have to eat for our family. But we're gonna order some drinks, have some food, some dessert, enjoy the live music that's going on behind us or in front of us, and I don't know.
To hang out with our friends.
Hang out with our friends. It's time to hang. That's where we're at.
There's a baby over there, but he's sleeping.
There's a baby sleeping.
So until then, have fun.